Say goodbye to carpet stains and hello to a fresh, clean home. In this video, I'll teach you how to make a powerful DIY carpet cleaner using only 2 simple ingredients. Are you ready to transform your carpets into a spotless wonderland? In this video, I'll show you how to make a DIY carpet cleaner using just 2 ingredients. All you need is water and white vinegar. Simple, effective, and budget friendly. Start by pouring 1 cup of white vinegar into 2 cups of water and give this a good stir. Grab a funnel and transfer the mixture into your spray bottle. This makes it much easier to apply the solution where you need it. Remember, always test a tiny spot first, especially if your carpet is a bit fancy. Adjust the mix if you need to, based on what your carpet likes. You can add a little bit of vinegar if you need something stronger, or add some water to dilute it down. And there you have it, a DIY cleaner that turns your carpets into a spotless wonderland. Easy, affordable, and effective. Now go ahead and enjoy your clean carpets.